guys, good day sa inyong lahat. Nandito kami sa Lahati guys kasi alam nyo bakit? Bumili ako ng Panadol kasi naubos na yung Panadol namin sa bahay. Yung paracetamol pa, yun lang binili namin. Yung ganito guys, 15 pieces, mga 550 pesos na to sa Finland. Tapos bumili tayo nitong Dercos anti-dandruff. Ito lang yung shampoo guys na naging effective sa ulo namin ni Nico. Pati kay Elisa tsaka kay Carlos din. Ang nag-recommend sa akin yan si Raquel. Doon ko sa pharmacy binili kasi kapag tiglamig na dito guys, magsisilabasan na talaga yung dandruff namin kasi magkakaroon ng dry nga yung scalp dahil nga sa lamig. Kahit yung Head and Shoulders hindi siya gumagana guys, mas lalong lumalala pa sa Head and Shoulders. Pero itong shampoo lang talaga na to ang nakapagpagaling. So wala na akong mga dandruff nung last winter. Nawala talaga siya guys, hindi na nahuhulog. Alam mo yun, nakakainis kasi yung uniform namin sa work is color blue, tapos pag nahuhulog yung mga flakes ng dandruff color puti, makita mo siya ba? Annoying masyado. Tapos si Nico po guys, ganun din. Kaya nga, nagsishave siya palagi. Ayaw niya na meron siyang buhok kasi nga dahil nga sa dandruff. Pati yung dito niya guys, yung bangas niya, magka-dandruff yan. Kaya today, nilagyan ko ng cream yung mukha niya kasi nga may dandruff guys. Kasi nga dahil sa dry air. And iba talaga siya. Nung nasa Philippines, kahit hindi ako maligo ng isang linggo, sus guys, walang dandruff kasi nga yung hangin natin sa Pilipinas is iba. Tapos dito is sobrang dry talaga ng hangin. Kaya nagkakaroon kami ng dandruff kapag hindi ka maligo ng isang araw lang. Ayun. So, itong shampoo na to ang binili ko. Ito siya. Dercos. So, sa mga taga Finland na andito na mga Pinoy, if ever gusto nyong mawala yung mga dandruff sa ulo nyo and walang ibang shampoo na nakakatulong, ito yung magandang shampoo guys, Dercos. Meron siyang salicylic acid yata. Ito, dandruff and itchy scalp, pellicles, and normal to oily hair. Ayan, for normal to oily hair. So ito yung ginagamit namin. So sinadya ko talaga siya kasi naubos na yung sa amin. So yung isang bottle na ganyan guys, it's good for us for like more than 6 months or 7 months. Kasi kahit konti lang ang gamitin mo, sobrang mabula siya. Ayun, so effective talaga siya na shampoo. Ma-recommend ko siya sa inyo na mga nandito sa Nordic na kailangan ng Bruce is there. So, kung kailangan nyo ng pangtanggal ng dandruff. So, pagpapatuloy natin mamaya yung ating juice, yung ating rhubarb juice, and we need to buy more strawberry. Yeah, for the next batch. And maybe 1 bucket as well. What do you think? 1 bucket? Let's buy 1 bucket.
Yeah,
1 bucket, yeah. Yeah. And then, sinundo din pala namin si Anika sa school. Nagdala din kami ng snack niya dyan. Tapos dumaan din ako ng Arkiosque kanina. Bumili ako ng taquitos. So, tig-isa kami ni Anika. So, full naman na siya. Ngayon guys, punta tayo ng Rusta kasi, di ba pinaplano namin na lagyan ng fence yung mga berries namin doon. I mean, yung aming, yung mga blueberries na tinanim namin or yung mga hindi yung blueberries na organic na sa forest ha, yung organic siya pero yung ikaw ang magtatanim. So meron kaming tinanim last year but the thing is hindi siya nagbigay ng fruits sa amin this year kasi yung mga stem na ready na sana for this year na pwede na siya tubuan ng mga flowers and berries and maging yung sanga niya, kinain siya ng mga rabbits kasi during winter may mga rabbits na nagpupunta sa yard namin. So I thought hindi nila kakainin, so I was so confident na walang kakain, but the thing is kinain nila lahat yan guys. Kaya bumalik, naging maliit yung mga berries namin and ayun, kailangan naming lagyan siya ng fence. Maybe we can park there. Kailangan namin siya lagyan ng fence guys para hindi siya pasukin ng mga blueberries and para maging nicer na rin tingnan yung yard namin guys. So andito tayo ngayon sa Rusta kasi titingnan natin dito kung mas cheaper ba dito yung fence na gagamitin namin o kaya sa Puilo. So i-compare namin yung price. You can remove your jacket, Daddy said. You leave there in the car. Because it's so hot. Leave there, but open the door. So, dito tayo guys sa Rusta. Check natin dito. Kung mas mura dito. You close the door properly. Check natin dito guys kung mas mura dito sa kanila or dun sa Puilo. So, i-check namin yung mga prices. Titingnan lang naman sa internet. Tapos, kung mas mura dito, dito na lang namin bibilhin. Hala, ang ganda nito. Oh, tag 6.99 na lang siya guys. Hala, ang ganda. Gusto ko ba yan ng ganito? Daddy, oh, malaway sa ito, manen. Gusto ko ng ganito guys. Ang ganda. Kaya pasok tayo sa Rusta guys. Ito yung Rusta. Maraming pwedeng bilhin dito sa Rusta guys. Tingnan nyo to. Ay, plastic man. Ayoko ng ganyan. Plastic man na. It's not nice. Mga cortina. Mga pang-anik-anik. Maraming options. May mga carpet din. Oh, hala, 14 euros only daddy or the carpet. Ay, 15. There's also 25 euros. But I don't know the quality if it is good or not. Tapos dito, mga pangkusina na to dito guys. Tingin-tingin lang tayo. Baka meron tayong magustuhan dito. Pwede nating bilhin. Battery. Bilisin ko ng battery guys. For the camera. This one daddy, oh. It's only 2 euros. You can put there in the garden. 2 levalois. Otatan ko. It's only 2 euros. I also don't know. I don't know. Dito guys, mga vases. Gusto ko palang bumili ng vase na mataas ba. Daddy, I want to buy a flower vase that is much longer for my bamboo plant. Hala, they have that one here. Oh, hala, I like this kind of thing. Cast iron pot. Hala, they have this cast iron Valurauta. Haluaisin to monen. Ito monen, oh. How much is that?
Mutta meillä ottamaan?
Meillä ei ole. But that is different. This one is, can you open? Check. It's a little bit different. Se musta, yeah. The black is nice. Se on painava. Oh. Yeah, I think this is nice. Oh, what is the instruction? Is it good for oven as well or no?
No, yleensä on.
You check though in here the instruction if it is good for the oven or not.
For all.
It's Valurauta.
Onks tässä mitään?
It can be in the oven.
Ja tää on emaloitu, eli siinä on semmonen pinnot.
Mikä se on?
Eli semmonen skin, tai niin se on niinku ulkopuolelta emaloitu, ei varmaan sisäpuolelta.
Yeah. It can be used in the oven. Oh, see, this is the one I like.
Sopii kaasuliesi, induktioliesi, lasikeraaminen liesi ja vallurautaliesi. Voidaan käyttää myös uunissa.
Okay, it can the oven. I want to buy this one. How much is that color? That color pink or white one I want. Oh, that color white one I want, daddy. Like this. Oh, this 5 liters I want. I want this one.
Tämmönen ovaali vai pyöreä?
Mikä on hieno?
I think now a little bigger volume than this is small.
Maybe that bigger one. Tommonen, oh. It's 50 euros. I want that one.
Kumpikohan tää? Onks tää se ovaali vai pyöreä?
Joo, se on se ovaali. It's the oval one. Ang cute ng storage basket na to. Oh. Na, lahi man akong tuyo guys. Lahi naman ang napunit na hinoon. Mo yung problema. It's there on the other side, outside. Grill, oh. This also... Huh? Oh, that one is nice. It's for charcoal. This is nice. 300. There's Ampari, Daddy. Oh, let's buy one. Tarvikansi. Just the Ampari. And then, let's go this way, Anika. Over here. Punta tayo dito sa may garden nila, guys. Kasi, dito yung mga kailangan namin for the fence doon sa garden namin. And baka, ay, meron din silang mga bulbs dito. Ayan, oh. Ayusin ko muna yung garden namin, guys, bago ako magtanim-tanim. Ayan, oh, ang dami nilang bulbs. Ito, guys, galing to ng... Galing, saan ito galing? Galing ito ng Plant Passport. Galing siya ng Holland. Oh, galing siya sa Holland, no. Basta mga bulbs, guys, usually from Holland yan kapag dito sa Europe. Ito taon. Ay! This one. Ay, ang ganda din ito sa garden, guys. Kung ganito, maliliit. Wow. Marami silang mga binibenta dito, pero iba man ang sadya ko. Iba man ang tinitingnan. Ito na. Diyan lang yun si Anika, guys. Tingin-tingin siya dyan sa mga ano. How much is that, Daddy? Huh? Really? It's cheaper?
Nyt on vaan joku tarjous. Muuten se on 170.
Globitarjous.
Täytyisi katsoa kumpi on parempi se. Meidän Biolan. Tää tuntuu vähän semmonen hepponen.
Niin. But it's very cheap. It's only 139 euros. This one, oh, lampo compostori. Ostetaan ko ito muna.
Mutta ei mahdu.
Ei mahdu meidän auto.
Se voi olla muuta, että kun kääntää, mutta ei oteta nyt.
Okay, we are not gonna buy this one now. Compostori, guys. Alam niyo yung dalawang compost bins namin. Nanggaling yun sa inyo. And we were able to save a lot of money sa pag segregate ng basura namin. Kasi yung mga nabubulok doon namin siya sa bio-waste tinatapon. Daddy, oh, here's the fence.
Yes.
It's not, it's different. Maybe it's on the other side. Let's take a look there.
Toi on hyvä, jos haluaa laittaa siihen side of the fence myös sitten tänne.
Niin.
Voi laittaa myöhemmin. Niin
We can put it now as well.
Niin, no se nyt on ihan.
Eikö niin? But I like the green one. Yeah, we can put that one.
Se grass on mennyt down. Se kesä on hyvä, tai springtime hyvä, koska kaikki on
alas, joo. Okay. Oh, it's here. The poles here are very cheap. Oh, $2.99 only. You look to in Puilo how much. They have, oh, this one I like color black.
Niin, tässä on jo aina.
Niin. Ito yung kailangan namin, guys, yung panggawa siya ng fence. Is that tricky? So, but we need to have a jalka on that.
Niin näissä ei muuten ole.
It's the same for this, oh. It's the same.
Mä luulen, että tuo pyöree.
Ito wala ang sa jalka. Yo, you try though. You can try and test. Wala na gid may ilis-ilis ani si Nico, guys, kaya nakapantrabaho gid ni siya ron. Dami niyang ginawa kanina. Is it like that? Or I think that down? Because it's sharp. I think it's that way.
Tää ei ole nyt kovin tukeva. Mutta tästähän voi leikata suoraksi ton.
Niin. But I like that, yeah.
Ja sitten Siihen voi laittaa jos haluaa niin ruuvin tai...
Yeah. And then until when are you gonna put on the ground this side? Until here?
Niin tää ensin hammer the ground ja sitten tää laittaa. Tai mä en tiedä, laitetaanko tää silleen, että se lyödään tästä. Tää varmaan täytyy... Tai itse asiassa ensin mekää kangelarilla, eikä meillä on se iron rod.
Okay. Hammer it down.
Mekää se iron rod first. All. Sitten you add that. Yeah. I think it's...
Okay. So the purpose of the metal is to save the wood, so it will not get...
It should be last.
So it will last longer. Okay. How about this one? I think this is cheaper than the one that we saw there in Poilo. Can you check in the internet? Check na sa internet, guys. That is a good size.
Yes, koska tää ei mene maahan.
Yeah.
Niin tätä voi jopa lyhentääkin, jos haluaa.
Yeah, okay. Maybe there's a little bit shorter for that, or that's the only one they have.
Niin, katsotaan. Onko tää sama malli? Ne on kaikki sama.
Yeah, they're all the same. How many do you think we need?
Tää on
Not 4.
Niin.
1. Can you count? Maybe 3, or 4 per each side.
For one longer side, niin ehkä...
5.
Niin, jos laittaa vaikka
4.
5 ja sitten 5.
10.
Se on 10 ja
Sitten...
Vaikka toinen on lyhyempi, niin siihen riittää varmaan vaikka 4, niin se on silloin joku 4, semmoinen 16.
Okay, let's buy 16 then.
Eikö 18?
18, 18. Okay, let's buy 18 then. Okay. Our cart is over there. So bibili kami ng 18 ito, guys. Tapos we'll buy... How many we will buy for this? 2 or 3? We'll buy 2 or 3? For this one?
Maybe if we buy
2
first? Now, is it then if there's, because down 10 meter.
Ah, this is 10 meters.
So
Okay.
I think that is enough, but I think 20 meter is...
Okay.
I don't
But how
know.
are you going to attach this one to the pole?
I think we need to buy
A
those...
rupee or something?
Semmonen, yeah, for...
Okay. So we'll buy 2 of that 18 nung kahoy. Yeah. Sisimulan yan agad-agad today ni Nico, guys. Basta nakapang trabaho na yan siya ng t-shirt, hindi na yan papalitan. Yan na yan, balik-balik na sa nina niya. Si Anika andoon o nawili siya kakatingin ng mga ibang paninda. Tingnan nyo yung garden nila, guys. Ang ganda. Wow, ang ganda. Mura lang to, oh. 3 piraso, 7 euros lang, guys. Ay, 8 euros. Tapos ito din, oh. Sobrang ganda, oh. Ay, gusto ko ng ganito sa bahay ba? Puro gusto, pero amot lang, day. Siguro na tag gusto. Ito, oh. Tag kalon niya, guys, oh. Twins, 3.99 siya. 4 euros. Grabe kaganda ng mga bulaklak, guys. Ito may mga pang autumn na ito na mga bulaklak na binibenta nila. May meron din silang ganito, oh. Mas mura pala dito yung ganito nila. Yung mga hortensia na mga bulaklak. Meron pa dito, guys. Ito kinulayan man nila ito, eh. Yung kinulayan yan siya. Sobrang ganda. So nakakaunis, no? So beautiful.
Red one and orange one.
They're different colors. Different colors. Yeah, ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda tingnan ng maraming bulaklak ang garden, no? Grabe kaganda tingnan. It's not a edible berry. You cannot eat this berry. This is Maria Canerva, but it's not edible.
It's poison.
I don't know if it's poisonous, but You cannot eat this one. But they're so beautiful. They have different colors, Anika. Oh. There's a purple, yung pinkish reddish, white. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda tingnan. I-check din namin dito kung magkano yung kanilang tuya dito, guys. Baka dito na lang din kami bumili. Kung mas cheaper dito ha. But, of course, tanongin natin si Nico kung anong idea niya. Ay, ito naka 50% off. Pero malalaki na ito na tuya. So yan na guys, nakakuha na si Nico. Puno na yung cart na. Did you leave our cart there first, Daddy? Let's take a look here. There, tuya. Niin. Let's take... Onks? Mikäläinen se tuja se oli? Kuor... En muista minkälainen tuja se.
Onko joku timanttituja?
Ei, timanttituja on tommonen, mutta siellä on se toinen tuja. En muista. Kuor something. Let's take a look in here. Ito naman, pulvas tuya. Magiging ganyan yung fence niya. Ito siya. Ito timanttituja. This is different. Wala sila nung kagaya sa ano, nung doon sa hangkia na tuya. Nakabili na guys. Nakabili pa ako ng cast iron pot. Wala ko makipambili ng Le Creuset guys. Yan na lang muna, di ba? Basta ka malagay ko siya sa oven. Okay na ako dyan. Ang ganda din yung color niya. Color white. So yan, magkasya pala siya. So tinumbangin ko yung isang chair namin doon para magkasya. I think you can remove this color black thing. Okay. We need to get something in Kastari or?
No, mä katson tuossa Googlesta Puuilossa niitä.
Or in Puuilo?
Ne, tuo ihan pari euroa.
Okay. We have a big hammer there, no? Maso in at home.
Vasara.
We have Vasara at home. So yan na guys. Para matapos na to guys and para makita din namin hanggang saan pa namin kailangang lagyan ng extra wood chips. So this black one.
Mikä on stuck?
Mikä on stuck?
No, vedä, pull it.
Vedä pois. Pull it. Naipit daw yung kanyang donut guys. Apua, help! Nagkasya pa rin guys. Maliit ang sasakyan natin. Kasya rin yan. The other one is here, Daddy. Kasya. Kasya yan guys. Pagkakasyahin.
Sitten, but we forget. No, but we can do it later if we make a gate.
Yeah, later.
There we go.
We can buy tomorrow.
So we need the hinge.
Niin.
Mutta we can make the kolkat.
Nasa bahay na kami guys. Dumaan pala kami ng Puuilo and bumili kami nitong plastics na mga botelya. 12 pieces. I don't know if this is enough. But kung kailangan pa, kasi gagawa pa kami today ng second batch nung juice. So, meron kaming 12 dito. And yung kahapon pala guys, ang nilagay namin na lemon, tinanggalan siya ng peel. So, wala siyang balat. So, gagawa pa tayo ngayon ng another batch. Hugasan pa to ni Nico para masalang na namin dito sa mga bote yung mga juice na andun sa balde na ginawa natin kahapon. Alright guys, so we are going to do one of the final process sa paggawa ng juice na to. So ito siya is one day na ito siya guys. So kagabi namin to ginawa. So ngayon gabi na ulit. And isi-strain na natin siya. So ito siya is hindi na siya kailangang i-mash. And ang gagawin na lang is i-strain na lang yung juice tapos ilagay siya dito sa botelya. So sabi ko kay Nico na ito na lang yung gagamitin namin. Hindi na lang namin isi-strain yung mga seeds. Let's not strain the seeds, Daddy, because I think the seeds are quite okay. We are not gonna selling this one. So ito na yung itsura ng juice. Ayan na siya, oh. Hindi nyo siya makita dito. Ayan. But yeah, it has already, the water has absorbed all the flavor from the, anong tawag nito? From the strawberries and from the rhubarb. So, guys, I don't know if meron pa bang lasa. Titikman na. Can you taste one of the strawberry? Does it still have some flavor? Does it still have strawberry flavor? Still have?
On joo. Mutta ei se varmaan kaikki ole.
Yeah. But yeah guys, yun lang naman yung instruction. So hindi na daw to kailangang imamash. So i-strain na lang namin siya diretso papunta dito sa malaking balde. Tapos pagdating dito sa malaking balde is ilalagay na namin siya dito sa mga bottles na binili namin today. So yun lang yung gagawin natin. Daddy, you move that one in here so it's not gonna be messy there in the cooker. Yeah.
Pitäisikö se vaan ihan tästä ottaa?
Yeah. Put this one, turn around so meron pang string galing dun sa rhubarb. So yun lang guys. So kung meron mang tawag nito, itong strawberry seeds na nasali, that's okay. Hindi na namin siya isi-strain. Ganyan na lang siya. So, sabi dito guys sa internet, diba nilagyan namin to ng citron na hapo or yung citric acid. In juice production, citric acid serves as a flavoring to provide a taste or to provide a tart taste, a preservative to inhibit microbial growth and extend shelf life, and a pH balancer to adjust the overall acidity of the juice. So, tama pa rin yung sinabi ko kahapon na mag-aano talaga siya, mag-serve siya as a, tawag nito, preservative. Ang itsura ng juice guys, ganyan na ganyan talaga siya yung sa picture din and sa internet na nakita namin. Ayan. Just take the juice and let's take the berries later. Meho and see.
Ja mun on näyttävä kaataa sitä.
Still have some rhubarb in the garden guys. Pwede pa namin yung ipit. Tapos gagawa kami today ng dalawang batch. And meron pa pala kaming rhubarb din andun sa freezer. So yun din is gagawin din namin yung today. Para bukas na naman namin siya i-bottle. Tapos ito pala siya guys. Itong juice na to na tapos na. Pwede siyang magstay sa room temperature. Sa cold temperature. Example sa ref. For a week or sa freezer. So, ang gagawin namin, since punong-puno ang freezer ngayon, ilalagay muna namin siya temporary doon sa aming ref. Tapos, ilalagay namin siya sa freezer later kasi bukas mag-empty ako ng freezer and magluluto ako ng mga pagkain.
No, ito voi vähän kaataa jo.
So, separate namin yung meat, guys, or yung mga berries doon, pati yung rhubarb. And sabi ko kay Nico, smash na lang namin siya. Kasi may mapipiga pa kasi doon na juice. Sayang naman. And yung flavor din. So, ito na yung mga berries, guys. Ganyan na naging itsura niya. Sobrang sarap niya ng, ano guys, sobrang sarap ng lasa, guys, as in tinikman ko. It's like very subtle taste. It's very good. I think we can mash that one, Daddy. Because it's now, there will be no space. Maybe mash that one first. So, gumamit lang kami ng potato masher, guys, para i-mash siya. Ayan, oh, sobrang dami pa kasing berries. Sayang naman. I mean, juice pa. On vielä paljon.
Ja voit tehdä siitä perunamuusia, että silleen, että nämä pysyy kokonaisena jotenkin. Mikä show the screen?
No ei, se ei meni.
Ehkä kaadetaan.
Yeah, there's still juice coming. I can use this wooden spoon to press it a bit. Very good. Nani, nyt se riittää. Antaa olla vähäksi aikaa. Tai täällä. Ito na guys yung juice. Ayan. So, it's more than half ng balde yung nakuha namin. And Nico and me decided na yung mga, ito guys, marami pa talaga siyang juice. Sabi namin ni Nico is ipapadaan na lang namin sa mehustin or yung sa steam juicing ba para ma-extract talaga yung mga juice nandito kasi sayang siya, guys. So baka maka-extract pa tayo ng 1 bottle from here. Ayan. So ito na yung juice, guys, na na-strain namin. So ito na yung iba-bottle namin. And Daddy, would you like to taste? Taste it first.
Joo. Tällainen mun mielestä.
You taste it. How it tastes like. So you can also tell them because I've tasted it and it tastes so good for me.
Very good.
It's very good, right? Yeah. It's not so sweet.
Should we bottle?
Yeah, let's put it in a bottle now. So we can keep it.
So we get space.
So yeah, like this, yeah, so we get space and we can use the mehustin and we will put the next batch, guys, ng juice sa balde. And yun na naman yung isi-strain namin the next day. So yung mga leftover is yun ano na lang namin siya, guys, ipapadaan namin doon sa mehumaya or doon sa steam juicing para ma-extract talaga na mabuti yung mga liquid na andoon sa mga berries. Kasi yung strawberries, guys, marami pa yung juice. Sobrang ganda ng color, guys. Almost the same color as the Puna Heruka or that red currant, but this is much lighter in color, but the taste is very nice, right? Yeah. So this can stay in the fridge for a week, guys, but it will stay longer sa freezer. Ayan. Very good. So we have 1 bottle down. So we will be updating you guys how many bottles ang nagawa namin sa mga juice na to. We were not able to show to you the Puna Heruka anymore or the red currant kasi nga napakita na namin siya last year. So yung pinakita naman namin this year is yung blueberries and itong paggawa namin ng red currant na juice. So yan, panibagong video na naman, diba? And hindi kami nag-pick ng blueberries this year. Siguro we will be picking but not really for making juice anymore. Maybe for eating or for making pies. If I will be able to find a forest na meron pang mga berries, guys, I'll be picking some of the blueberries and then ipapakita ko sa inyo how I make it into pies. Yan. Very good. Oh, it's so satisfying to hear the sounds of the water. I mean the juice.
We have lots of juice than this year.
So in the tawag nito, yung rhubarb talaga guys, ang in-extract talaga doon is yung flavor niya. So hindi namin siya ma-extract na mabuti. Kaya sabi ko kay Nico, ipadaan na lang namin siya sa Mehumaya. Like ito ang santahan, NC. Yeah. Let's close it later. Yeah. Ang ganda ng color, oh. Grabe, oh, sobrang ganda. It looks like a gasoline color. I remember in Philippines, they selling gasoline alongside the street. They put it in the...
It was red also.
Yeah, it was red. It's inside the Coca-Cola glass bottle. So if our bottles are not enough, then we will be buying another one tomorrow maybe.
I think it's enough.
You think it's enough? Very good. Yeah, some more. Half a scoop. Yes. Ang ganda, guys. Okay. Let's put the cover later. Yeah. Ayan. So we were able to make 3 already. We were able to make 5 of this. 5 bottles.
We have still to put those raspberry in the...
Yeah, in the garden. Yeah, we can pick them and then make into juice. And I can also make some pies. Na, piraka. Halawat to, piraka. But you said you don't like my baking because it makes your tummy big.
Maybe only for this megatan rice.
For the rice, okay. But the pies you will eat. If I make pies and cakes.
I think the fresh it's the best. So.
Yeah, I will make fresh one. Same like the one I made last year and like 2 years ago. And then let's put this vanilla kerma, vanilla cream on top. It's very good, right? Yeah. I have one recipe, guys, that is very good. I got it in the internet. And yun ang ginagamit ko for making rhubarb pie. Hopefully, I'll be able to share it to you. At hindi ko naman yung sariling recipe, but I got it in the internet and I did the recipe and it was actually very good. Wow, you made 5 bottles. There was a rhubarb. So this one, guys, ang lahat ng juice na ginawa namin, this is only for our own consumption. We are not gonna be selling this. Sa amin lang to, dito lang to sa bahay. Ayan. Ang ganda ng color ng rhubarb juice, guys. I think this will taste so good when you put meat. Oh, it went over. I think you need to put some there in the bucket and put it in the bottle, another bottle. We need to wash one more bottle. So ito, guys, pangalawang batch na to, and tinignan ko yung freezer namin. Meron pa palang isang bag doon na malaki na naka-freezer na rhubarb. Sabi ko kay Nico is gagawin din namin yung juice. Tapos yung andun pa sa labas, guys. Ito napakaraming juice talaga ang magagawa, as in. So nilagay na rin namin dito yung the same ingredients na nilagay namin kahapon, yung rhubarb, yung strawberries, sugar, tapos yung citric acid or citron na hapo. Ayan. So, 2 balde na today. Kaya kami bumili ng 1 balde, guys, para gamitin siya gawaan ng juice. So, nagpapakulo na si Nico ng tubig and pupunuin niya na to ng tubig, guys. The same as yesterday. Almost same as here.
Niin. Meni katsoin citronapon väärinpäin. Se piti laittaa vasta kun water has cooled.
Okay.
Mutta no ei se sitä enää voida poiskaan.
Yeah. Nico put the citron na hapo earlier, but no, it's okay. It will cool down right away because this is not like very hot. I mean, it will cool down kasi yung berries, guys, is frozen siya. So, yeah. So, ito na yung pangalawang batch namin, guys. So, sa pangalawang batch, dalawa na talaga na balde. And I think may magiging third batch pa tayo kasi marami pang rhubarb, guys. And may binili naman kami na extra na mga strawberry. So, ito na yung iba-bottle namin tomorrow. So, kompleto na to lahat ng ingredients. Maliban sa citron na hapo or yung tawag nito, yung citric acid. Actually, nalagyan pala ni Nico ng isang kutsara. Pero kasi doble ito na portion, na recipe. Kaya, dadagdagan pa ni Nico. Pero palalamigin muna namin. Ayan. Ganun talaga, hindi perfect, no? Hindi mo tayo perfect. You need to put citron na hapo, Viala. Yan. So, palamigin lang namin. Lagyan ng citron na hapo or ng citric acid. Tapos, cover. And tomorrow na natin siya ibabataw. Yeah, because it was a double recipe. No? Citric acid was not expensive. It was cheap actually. Tepid. Okay, let's mix it one more time and then let's put the cover, guys. Haluin na maayos kasi yung asukal sa ilalim ba hindi siya nag-melt. Ayan. So, we'll put the cover and see you tomorrow. Hello, Ray, guys! Good evening! So, ito na lahat yung juice, guys, na nagawa namin for the first and second batch. Gamit yung first recipe of juicing, guys, na hindi siya ginamitan totally ng tawag nito, yung steam. So, yung nilagay lang namin siya sa bucket. However, merong 2 bottles dito, guys, na nagawa namin siya gamit yung steaming. So, pwede din pala siya, guys, through steaming yung paggawa nitong tawag nito, yung rhubarb juice. And we were able to make, look, a lot of bottles. Tingnan nyo naman, sobrang dami, guys. 25 ito lahat andito. And nakagawa din kami ng finish na. Ito na siya, guys. Sobrang sarap ng juice, guys. As in talaga, sobrang sarap. And napaka, niya, soothing sa bibig. Ito talaga yung, siguro ito yung isa sa mga favorite ko na juice na nagawa namin ni Nico so far. Compared doon sa blueberry, ito yung pinakagusto ko na juice, guys. Kasi light lang siya and hindi siya matapang. And I'm so amazed, guys. I'm still so amazed na sobrang dami naming nagawang juice this year. I mean, like, yung buong freezer namin, guys, na yung nakatayo namin na freezer, puno na talaga siya ng juice. Halo na yun yung blueberries, yung red currants, yung black currants. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yeah, lahat yung mga juice na nagawa namin. So, ang hindi lang namin pinakita this year is yung paggawa ng red currants. Kasi, guys, napakita na namin siya previous year. So, this year, hindi man kami nakagawa ng maraming apple juice, but may replacement tayo doon, guys, kasi we were able to make a lot of rhubarb juice na nanggaling din sa garden namin. Though yung strawberries is hindi galing sa garden namin, kailangan namin siyang bilihin because we were not able to pick strawberries this year by ourselves. So, kailangan namin bumili. But, guys, sobrang laking tipid nito. 25 liters. Tapos, meron pa kaming i-juice na mga rhubarb, guys. Kasi meron pa doon sa garden na pwede namin siya ma-pick up. And ang yung iba nun, I'm planning na gawin siyang pies. So, sobrang daming juice nito. And na-amaze kami ni Nico na, grabe, ang dami pala talagang juice. And, ito lang yung, ibale, first batch lahat ng mga rhubarb. I mean, like, the first recipe ng rhubarb juicing. So, ipa-taste test natin kay Nico na, guys, kasi natikman ko na siya. Patry natin sa kanya. Oh, it's a very nice color, no? I don't know if I put enough water in it, but you can try.
It looks like an orange in here, but something like red.
Yeah. How does it taste?
It's very good, but it's better when it's cool. Now it's not warm. It's like warm, not hot. But
It's very good.
It's better than cool.
Yeah. So we need to put this in the fridge. Anika was asking me earlier, what juice is this? I think it's like a sparkling. Is it?
A little bit.
It's so beautiful, no? I think this is my favorite juice.
This is.
Yeah?
This is.
And we still have a lot there in the garden.
It's very long time that I drink this. What is this? Raparperi.
Rhubarb.
Rhubarb.
Yeah. It's very good, no?
Let's take the
Better than the Punaheroka.
Onyo.
It's better than the.
Onyo.
It's better than the red currants, no? We
can
should
take
take a
the
picture. Yeah. Take a picture and send to Mama as well. I mean to
Perherömmä.
yeah, Mama Sinika.
Niin, kyllä.
Yeah. Because this is from her garden. Can you imagine that? It's very good, no? Grabe, guys. It's like a what you call this one? Sparkling juice. No?
I think this is get better when it's
Cold.
cold. Like
Yeah.
the fridge.
And we still can make the next one.
Nee, it's still there.
Yeah. We were going to make it, guys. Yeah, we're so blessed. Ang dami naming juice, guys. Yeah, you take a picture and you kada talaya. You take a picture and send to the family group. Sensya na ko, guys, ha. Magulo ang aming bahay kasi naglabas sila and si Anika ang nagsampay. Wala nang kalimao. Pero okay lang yan.
I'll take a picture too.
Nee, so ay kahiva. Oh, guys. Ang sarap. One of the best juice. Oh, kuha na sini ko ng picture, guys. Isend yan sa family. Yan, no? Oh, diba? Malaking tipid. I think we can still make like more. No?
It's there.
Yeah.
But maybe, I don't know, is it fit all? But we can give one bottle to grandma. You can prop tomorrow if you want. So, and let's take like one bottle empty back.
It's very good, Daddy. I'm so proud of ourselves.
Very good.
Yeah, it's very good. Yeah, nakakatuwa, guys. Kasi we were not able to make juice from the apple trees. Last year, we had a lot of juice from the apple trees. It was 12 liters, I think. But this year, we were blessed with more than that. It was doubled. Even times triple.
If this is would be at for full harvest for apples in the apple tree, I don't know.
Yeah.
So
last year we just wasted it because we don't know how to make it.
Fridge.
Yeah. Last year, or you need to really fix our cellar, guys. Nico needs to fix the cellar. This is very soothing after sauna.
They said that this is last week in the fridge.
Yeah, I think it's cooler
but it's
in the freezer.
Put in the cellar.
Yeah.
It should be freezer.
Yeah. Oh, amazing, guys. We have a lot of juice.
No. Very good.
Guys, grabe. Sobrang blessed namin. Na-amaze talaga ako, guys. As in, nagkagulo yung akong balay, guys. Sagdai lang na, ha. But yeah, na-amaze ako kasi sobrang daming juice nito guys. Imagine niyo yung freezer namin guys, hindi na magkasya halos yung mga ibang pagkain. Kaya niluluto ko talaga as much as we can yung mga pagkain namin sa freezer para hindi siya masayang. And magkaroon kami ng space. So, we are so happy guys kasi meron kami nitong rhubarb talaga sa garden. So, isasend namin kay Lola guys, yung may-ari nitong bahay, yung mga nagawa namin na rhubarb juice. Rhubarb and strawberry juice ito guys kasi hinaluan siya ng strawberry and sugar. Yeah. So, yung sugar naman is kailangan mo lang siyang ilagay talaga para maging matamis siya guys. Yun na lang yung parang sweetener niya. Kasi yung strawberry guys, hindi siya matamis siya, pero yung rhubarb talaga, strong talaga yung flavor niya. Pero pag yung rhubarb lang na juice, sobrang asim guys. Kaya kailangan mo siyang ihalo ng haluan ng other berries para maging maganda yung lasa niya. Parang mag-blend nga sila guys. As in, nakakatuwa. And we were so happy na ang dami naming juice. So, ang next naman na namin na gagawin na juice is yung steaming naman gamit yung rhubarb and strawberry. So, kailangan pa namin i-pick up yung mga rhubarb na andun sa labas ngayon. And siguro kapag nagkaroon ako ng panahon, I'm gonna be sharing pie recipes din ng rhubarb. Yun lang naman guys for this vlog. We just wanted to share to you little ways kung paano na kami nakaka-save ng pera dito sa pamamagitan ng pag-preserve ng mga berries and ng mga plants namin sa garden guys, na actually we never thought na ganito siya kasarap talaga yung magiging lasa niya. And we're so happy talaga na we were able to share it to you na pwede siya and meron talagang paraan na pwedeng ma-save talaga yung mga pagkain and yung mga berries na nanggaling sa forest and yung mga plants na nanggaling sa garden. Ayan. So, we're so blessed guys na andyan talaga yung rhubarb plant and it gave us this year a lot of rhubarb. And after na na-harvest namin yung first batch bago kami umuwi na Philippines, nilagay namin siya sa freezer. Tumubo na naman siya ulit guys. As in, ang dami na naman niyang stocks doon na pwede namin i-pick up. Ayun siya. So, nakakatuwa. And we're so happy guys that we were able to share it to you. So, abangan nyo na lang guys yung next na vlog namin on making the next project for the rhubarb juice, rhubarb strawberry juice. Gamit yung steam naman. Ayun. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channels, The Lindemans and Lindemans Outdoors. Ingat kayo palagi and we'll see you again next time. Hey, hey!